Brooklyn, we go hard. We go hard. 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 Brooklyn, we go hard.
Last time on 50 Shades of Pink 1.
It was crazy. People are angry. They want their snacks. They want to get out in a timely fashion.
What?
See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying?
I'm talking to somebody.
Who you talking to? Talk about what? Calvin from McDonald's?
Yeah. He work over here now.
Whatever,
He's
yo.
a regional manager.
He don't want to be on the camera, but he always got to have something to say.
Oh, and if you guys didn't see, we did buy this little bench thing from Home Goods. I'm sure it would be in previous clips before this when I went to Home Goods last week or 2 weeks ago. And I met hubby there and we were just looking at, different things. We had actually been looking for something for the end of the bed for a while. And I liked this because I like gray. And yeah, so there it is. It's really comfortable too. Like you could lay there, put your feet up, you could sit, well duh, you could sit, but I like that you can actually lay down and it gives you some sort of support for your neck and your back and your feet. I made homemade fresh oatmeal cookies tonight. When I use my camera, I can't scroll over the date and the time because my camera is not programmed with the right date and time. And I have to program it, but I'm not doing that right now. No. So I think tonight I'm gonna treat my husband to dinner. He treated me to dinner. On the weekends I really only cook on Sunday. Like I make like little things here and there on Saturday, if we're in the house. But usually we're out. Tomorrow we're going to Ikea. I can't wait. But anyway, order dinner tonight. There's so many good things on this. This is what we had last night. The Korean fried chicken wings with ginger sticky rice. Hubby treated me to dinner. Surprise, but I think I want this tonight. This pan roasted chicken with asparagus and granny apples. I don't know what he would want. Oh, they have a crispy pan roasted red snapper. Caramelized fennel, buttery tomato. Oh, that sounds good. With saffron risotto. They got deep fried baby back ribs. What? That's probably pork though. We don't do the pork. And they have a sweet pea and pistachio pesto pasta. Now that sounds good. So yeah, I'm waiting for him to come back. He went to the gym and I will let him know that we are eating out again tonight. So much for my dang diet change, because I've still been just eating whatever the hell I want to eat. I'm gonna get there though. I am off to get breakfast and then we're off to Ikea. It is snowing again, but hopefully can make this trip easily and safely. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye.
For the entertainment, the town crier.
Oh yeah. This is like a little local jewelry place. They always have like cool little jewelry in the window. Like look at these cool necklaces. Although they are very expensive and I know where to get this stuff for way cheaper. But I like to support my local businesses. Where's he going? New art in the window. Those are cool. Oh, they're facing the other way. Off to Ikea. Snowing again. We're off to Ikea now in the snow, which is about an hour away. And everything that we want, and it's not a big hassle. See you guys there. It's a cute little dog sticking his head out of a car.
He ain't little.
Well,
Stand up, he's bigger than you.
there he is. There he is. Look at him.
It's a beowulf.
Well, what's the real name of it?
It's a beowulf.
That's a dog?
That's what that is, a beowulf.
I don't never heard of that before.
Beowulf. Word for the day is beowulf.
I don't see nothing. Baby, give me one more chance. One more chance. Baby, give me one more chance.
I just realized that. The sample for I Rule the World came from that.
Oh yeah, I know that. Friends. Made it to Ikea. It's horrible. No store. Not me. They dropping that cheap ass car. You ain't gonna get no money. You can't sue Ikea.
Why not? Have it in their pocket. Why this shit was shoveled in somebody out there.
You gonna be fucking walking with a wheelchair, rolling. What is that supposed to be? Like an outside living place? Me, obviously, I can't see. It's supposed to be like an outside living space. I'm looking for a chair for my bedroom, for my side. I'm not paying $500 or less. How much is it for? No, thank you. What'd you say? It is $2.99. This shit's pretty comfy. I know. Yeah. Oh, this killer is about to die. All this is about to die. It's nice. And efficient. How much? Is it real stainless steel? What, for like it is? I mean, is that really? What do y'all think about like dark kitchens? I don't really like dark kitchens. Need brightness in the kitchen. It's nice though. It's new style microwaves. Oh, there's actually something in here. It has drawers. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Sink. This is nice. if I did. So what? Fruits. Yeah. So this is what we got. Some damn plants. Some shelving for my kitchen. I got this for my desk. And it is still sleeting. It is so bad out here, like literally cars are like sliding off the road. And when we saw that it was like starting to snow, I was like, oh, maybe we shouldn't go out, because I don't like being in bad weather. Even though I'm not driving, I just don't like driving, whether I'm driving or somebody else is driving. I don't like being in bad weather. So we're in Jersey, and if you're familiar with the Jersey area, you have to pay a lot of tolls. So neither one of us usually have like a bunch of cash, because we always just have like our debit cards or whatever. So now we have to stop at a McDonald's to see if they had an ATM so we could get some cash for the tolls. So yeah, let's hope. And y'all know so many people do not know how to drive in regular weather. So when it's like bad weather, a lot of people don't know how to maneuver their cars, how to keep distance, how to brake and all that type of shit. When your car skids, how to, you know, move your wheel. People don't know how to do that shit, which causes so many accidents. We saw like a bunch of cars skidding, and we saw one accident on the way here. So I'm just hoping and praying that we get home safely. And we ain't even hardly buy nothing at Ikea, so I kind of feel like it was a waste. But like I said, hopefully we get home safely and there's no issue. We're still not home. We're in Jersey, still in Jersey. You know, everybody's driving really, really slow, which is good because you need to be safe. When hubby went to McDonald's to go to the ATM, he got some damn fries. I knew he was gonna get some fries. We don't eat like fast food hardly ever, and you know, when you go into McDonald's and you smell they damn fries, I knew he was gonna get some damn fries. So he got fries. Now he's thirsty because usually we keep like water in the cars, but ain't no water in the car. So he went to go get something to drink. We got gas in Jersey because it's like 15 cents cheaper or something like that. And yeah, hopefully I will get home before 8 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock now. 6:07. Tomorrow is work, so you know, no chilling for me. I have to go home. I'm gonna cook dinner, get my clothes ready, take a shower, and that's gonna be the end of the weekend. Yep. So I made it home, y'all. Hold on, I don't want to die. Oh shit, I done dropped something. Anyway, we made it home safe. It was really, really, really bad. Hope I didn't drop nothing. Good all this damn snow. Yeah, now the snow is like ice. And that's not good. So I have to bring my ass to work tomorrow though. Let me get up in here and try to make some dinner. Huh? You got your key? Or you left it in the car? Yeah, so. Alright, y'all. So your girl is home. I'm pissed because I had to go to the bathroom. And I ran upstairs and I didn't take my my shoes off. We don't come in the house with our shoes on. We leave them downstairs at the front door. I have to check on Cooper. Hey, Coop. Hey, man. You been home all day by yourself? You wanna come out? You ready, huh? You put that door like, let me out. Let's let you out for a little while. I gotta cook and stuff, so you ain't gonna be out that long. I gotta go to work tomorrow. Papa might stay home, but I gotta go to work. Good boy. You so nice and warm. Good boy. Alright, check it later. So we bought some stuff from Ikea. Not everything that we wanted to buy though. Hey guys. So tonight I made some smothered chicken. You can't see it that well because my overhead lighting still have not replaced the bulb. It's a little harder than we thought to find the bulb. I'm making some mashed potatoes and cornbread. And probably some broccoli or peas or something. And that's it. Next time on 50 Shades of Pink 1 Vlogs. I saw some really good videos today on YouTube. Today's March 31st. I'm about to go to lunch.